Scroll saw, really, really nice, very useful tool for cutting curves. I'm Robert Markey, and I've been a carpenter for a long time, and we're going to talk about how to use a scroll saw. The first issue is how narrow a curve are you going to cut with this, which will allow you to determine which blade. This is a pretty average size blade. With blade, it'll cut a pretty good curve. Okay, if you get much thinner than that, you can use a narrower blade. Makes a lot of noise. Put your earphones on. Make sure this is clamped. And let's bring it. Come over here. And there it is. As long as this is securely clamped and your curve is not too small for your blade, you're good. I'm Robert Markey, and we've been talking about using a scroll saw.